today we are introducing new niche on our channel. Lucas, keep quiet. No. So guys, today we are here to do a mukbang challenge with my husband, and I have here fried rice with chili, hot chili. You know that fried rice is really spicy, so spicy fried rice with chili with fish, and also our water is here. So guys, this challenge goes like this. We will see who will eat this hot chili, you know, fried rice, spicy fried rice fast. Lucas, oh my gosh, it's going to be hard with this kid, but we have to do this. So time starts right now. No, baby, give me my fork. Lucas, if you eat mine, you will eat your father's own, okay? Yes, they will not eat, you eat.
Delicious.
Delicious! Yay! We are eating with fork. The reason why we are eating with fork is that we want to see who will finish the food first. Lucas, don't destroy my building for me. Lucas will help me finish the challenge. Oh my gosh. You want your father to finish eating than us, eh? Faster than us. Good boy. Oh my gosh, this food is really delicious. You can come and see. You can come and test this food. Lucas, no. So you know this video has been requested several times. Toma. If you let Papa finish eating the food faster than us, the way I go strip your buttons, eh? Toma. Oh my gosh, this is getting serious. Lucas, no. Your father is eating. You see, your father is almost done. Please, leave me. Leave me. Lucas, no. You see what you are doing? I don't want to use my hands. If I use my hands, that means I've go against the rule. Lucas is messing up everything for me. Come on. Oh! So what you are doing? I'm not giving you the spoon anymore. You can cry. Trisha. Oh my gosh. The chili is really hot, and you're not doing. The pepper is really hot, eh? No. Lucas is under the table. I have to finish this before this man finishes. Oh my gosh, so delicious. You guys know. I need water. I need for some of the water for me. Oh my gosh. Wow. We are starting from the front to the backwards. Okay, you see your life. Good boy. This boy doesn't like eating, so I think I should. This is the opportunity for me to give him some food. Your father is almost done, Lulu. Father is almost done. No, take this. Take. Oh my gosh. Hey, this man is almost done. Oh. I want the chili, yeah? Lulu, let me eat. Papa is almost done, guys. Oh no! Go and take it. Go. Take the meat. Take the fish. You know this man is not talking because he's seriously eating. But I have to do it. Don't go there. Don't go. The fish. But is it the pepper is sweet? The chili. So spicy and sweet. Hey. Sorry guys, I have to do this. The building is almost Lulu, don't destroy my building. Is this how we eat with fork? You won't even talk, you are eating top of the food. My nose is watering the pepper. Your building is down now. He's almost done. The building is off. Lulu. Oh my gosh. You don't know, guys. Who wants Lucas? Come for him. Good boy. Let's finish it fast before Mama finishes, okay? Lulu. Hey. Why are you doing this? Stop. Hey, you see that? This boy is totally a za boy. Why? Are you done?
No.
You're not done? I've been drinking water, so I'm getting I'm becoming so cute, but I have to finish this food. This challenge, I have to finish it. Oh guys, I have to. This man is really serious chopping the food like. Did you hear that? Is that look at it. Stop that. like that. It's not like that. You don't. It's like. Yes, we are eating in front of camera. It's a challenge. That's why you have to give me my fork. Huh? Huh? Thank God. What should I think? You don't like? Oh, Lulu. Your father is almost done. We are still here. Eat. 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 If you eat, give me my fork. Don't ruin anything for me. Are you done? Are you okay? Me, I'm okay with that. I don't really, you know, look at no. I don't really love, I don't really like food. It's not that I don't love, I love food, but I don't like eating too much food, okay? So anytime when I am eating, the first 5, 3, 4 minutes, I have to like be done. I don't know why. I will like be eating fast. I like eating fast. So immediately I take water. Know that I'm done. Have you finished? If you are finished, you. So you eat again.
No.
You eat again, but you are putting the fork in. So guys, what I'll say is that my husband, you all know that I have a lot of fried rice in my bowl, and my husband has like few fried rice. You can see it. Remove the fork. Okay, it's okay. You can see his, and you can see mine. So much. So that means hubby won again. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you love to watch us eat, if you want to see more food challenge, more challenge of food or anything, please let us know. Leave your comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from us. Thank you for watching. See you on our next episode. Bye.